Good morning, grade 5 learners. Welcome to our science class. Today, I will discuss to you Quarter 2, Module 6, Estuaries and Intertidal Zones. Interactions among living things and non-living things in estuaries. Lesson 1. Estuaries, like any other ecosystem, consist of biotic and abiotic factors. The biotic and abiotic factors or component of estuarine ecosystems interact in such a unique way, thus make some organisms choose to reproduce in these areas. For such reason, estuaries are also called nurseries of the seas. The biotic factors are living things which include plants, animals, and microorganisms, while abiotic factors are the non-living things found in the ecosystem. What are the biotic and abiotic components in estuaries? An estuary is a place where the fresh water from the river mixes with the salt water from the sea. Biotic factors are the living components in an ecosystem. These include all the plants, animals, and microorganisms found in estuaries such as mangrove, trees, migratory birds, and small fishes. Abiotic factors, on the other hand, are non-living components in the ecosystem. These are the factors that affect organisms in the estuaries. This includes waves, salinity, temperature, amount of sunlight, and types of soil. Biotic and abiotic factors in an estuary. Number 1. Waves. Waves refer to the movement of the surface of the water. These are strong forces that organisms must learn to live with. An example of these organisms is the kelp, a kind of algae, which has a strong root-like structure that attach themselves to rocks to keep it from being carried away by the waves. Number 2. Salinity. Salinity refers to the amount of salt in water. The combination of seawater and fresh water in estuaries is called brackish water. Mangroves and blue crabs have adjusted well to the constantly changing salinity of water due to the non-stop flow of fresh water and the salt water through the estuary. Number 3. Temperature. Temperature refers to the level of hotness and coldness of the water. Temperature differs because of the tides and the amount of sunlight. Some organisms use plants like mangroves to keep themselves concealed from direct sunlight or away from the coldness of water. Since estuaries are shallow as compared to the seas, they are conducive for photosynthesis to take place. Algae, seaweeds, seagrasses, and other marine plants depend on the amount of sunlight that they receive in the estuaries. Number 4. The type of soil varies in the estuaries depending on the strength of waves and the kind of rocks present in the area. Some areas are full of rocks, sands, pebbles, or clay. The topsoil layer found in an estuary is composed mostly of peat or salt crush. Salt can be found within the soil, which can be acidic, posing problems to the survival of plant life. Kids, that ends our lesson for today. Continue doing the different activities in your module. This is your teacher, Sir Teddy Pagaduan, saying, take care because God loves us all.